Hello guys, welcome to INS TechSoft channel. Guys, in last class I given the lecture on networking devices part 1. In that I discussed the network interface card. Now in this lecture I am going to talk about hub. Let's see what is hub. So coming to the actual meaning of hub is it's a central part of a circular object. A hub is a common connection point for devices in a network. So the hub contains multiple ports. See here, there are so many ports here. As we know, hub has many ports on it. So a hub is it's worked on physical layer of the OSI model networking. So which is used to connect multiple devices in a network. Network with a hub. When a computer sends the information to a hub, it replays the data on whole. The function of hub is broadcast data to all ports and it shares the bandwidth. Means, for example, we can take 10 devices are connected to an 100 Mbps, one having a bandwidth of 100 MB. So then each device will have 10 MB. Now it is used in limited network. That means more connections computers are connected to a hub. The speed will be low and degrade now. Let's see how a hub work. As we know, hub is a cheap and a simple device and it can connect a bunch of computers with each. But here a little bit it wastes the bandwidth. So our hub we also known as hub duplex device. Here hub is two types, active hub and passive hub. Let's see one by one. Coming to first one, active hub. See here the active hub strengthen the signal. These type of hubs need more electricity and active hubs can process and monitor the data or the information while passive hubs or cannot do this. Another term nowadays mostly we call it as repeaters. So connectors, active hubs amplify the signals so that which gives boost to the all the networks as passes through a hub. Another quality of these hubs are they can process information coming from other sources, but they need electricity, which power up and they are to generate or amplify the signal before they are retransmitted at the distance of 2000 feet. To second one, passive hub. This passive hub is also called as intelligent hub or manageable hub. Simply we can say passive hub is just a connector which connects wire coming from other devices. It does not provide any processing or regeneration of signals, so that a passive network that joins word from several stations in a star configuration. Coming to uses of hubs are used to create small home network and these hubs are used for monitoring the network and hubs are used in organizations and computer labs for the connectivity. It make one device or a peripheral available throughout the whole network. Advantages of hub. See, a hub allows you connect clients to share and conversations with a network protocol analyzer. A hub also can modulate signal of the cable if needed. Using hub, we have to save the money because switches are costly than hub. This is about hub guys. We have to see here advantages, uses and hub, and I will explain the next lectures in upcoming videos, that is a router, a switch and all those things. Thank you guys, thank you so much for watching my video. Thank you.